Hey y'all, it's Brandon coming at you with Can't Never Could again. And so a couple of y'all's been wanting to see this video and you're about to get what you want. So if you haven't, go back and watch the video when my wife was really wanting me to attend to this right here. This is our sidewalk that goes to our house from our driveway, and we've been here 8 years. I have, like, you know, weed eated it and stuff, but as far as cutting it out with the edger and moving all the debris and the dirt and the grass growing over it, I haven't. So that's my fault. So anyway, we got that cleaned up the other day, and I told y'all we was gonna do a pressure washing video. My wife would be so happy, and y'all have constantly reminded me in the comments that I need to do that. So here we go. I appreciate the comments. I appreciate y'all reminding me. Got a lot going on, but we're fixing to do that today. So we're gonna start here and work our way down the steps. And as you can see right now, this sidewalk, you know, it's got some leaves and stuff on it. We're about to blow all that off. Still looks pretty rough. It's cut out good, but as far as, you know, being cleaned up, it don't look that great. So anyway, so we're about to do that right now. So y'all hang in there with me, and we're gonna transform this thing. Also, just to show you what we're using, I do have a big 3,000 pound pressure washer, but I bought this little thing from Walmart, probably Hyper Tough, probably, I don't know, it's probably been 5-6 years ago. And I have used that pressure washer to pressure wash my house 5-6 times now. And that's normally twice a year. So as we're in Florida, we got a lot of pollen multiple times a year. My house is covered with these trees, as you can see. All the way around it, we got these big trees, big oak trees. So it tends to turn yellow like it is right now. You see it's white here, it's definitely yellow there. But we are working on some other stuff on the house right now, some exterior stuff. We had to remove some windows and put some siding back up. We get that siding up, I'm gonna pressure wash the whole thing. We'll let y'all in on that too. But anyway, right now, I'm gonna take this little tiny pressure washer and see how clean we can get this thing. I like using chlorine. It seems to work a little better than bleach. And no, we're not dousing it so we kill our grass. We're just putting just enough on there. It is very watered down, but it normally cleans the house really well. So this has this little cup that you fill up with bleach or chlorine or whatever your choice is to clean it with. And then this little nozzle right here attaches to the pressure washer, so you can blow it all over where you want it. And then once you get it soaked down however thick you want it, you can wait. Some people wait, you know, a little while. I wait about 10-15 minutes and then get started. It seems like the chlorine's done its job by then. So I'm gonna do that, and then we'll attach the pressure washer gun to it and actually start cleaning. So anyway, that's what we're gonna do now. If you watched our video on cleaning the headstones, you've seen our other pressure washer. It's pretty loud because it's the gas powered. Well, this thing right here makes a little humming noise. So like you're barely even gonna be able to tell that it's on. It is electric, so that's why it's so quiet. But the whole thing with being electric is it's aggravating dragging the wires around, but you never have to worry about the gas, you know, it clotting up, messing up, or anything like that. So I would greatly recommend it. You do have to drag around an extension cord or something when you're cleaning the house, but that's it. I mean, you're gonna be dragging around water lines already, so drag around an extension cord too, and then you never have to worry about gas. When I plug this thing up, it will fire up, it will go, and it will clean like crazy. Like I said, I've cleaned our house at least 5 times with it, and it does a great job. So anyway, that's what we're about to do. For y'all that didn't see the video, when I actually cut out the sidewalk, I edged it, you know, weeded it and all that stuff to make the wife happy, and there was like giant clumps of dirt and just overgrowth. It was stupid. I should have done it a long time ago. It's my fault, forgive me. But anyway, if you haven't seen that video, I'm gonna link it in the description, so you'll be able to click on it and you can go back and watch it before or after you watch this, and you can see the full transformation of the sidewalk. So anyway, about to get started. Y'all hang in there. Okay, so we've doused the entire thing all the way down the driveway, the stairs, all the way up it with chlorine. Literally one little bottle did the whole thing. I actually had a little bit extra. I had to pour some out. So now we're gonna start pressure washing. So just hang on. All right, for all y'all that's probably questioning whether this is doing something, I'm about to show you. So we've already got the steps cleared off, and here's the difference. The old stuff, just pressure washed. Of course it's wet, so it's still a little darker. When it dries a little bit, it'll be a lot more brighter. I'll show you all that at the end a little bit later. Anyway, so we just got done with that. It took about 20 minutes. So we fixing I've done this little strip right here about 5 foot. So we're about to do this whole thing. Got this thing in there. So, you know, one of y'all commented on the key to a happy life is, and I agree 100%, is a happy wife. Just another way to show you how clean it's getting. Y'all hang on. Well, we're about halfway. So here's what we got so far. Steps are clean. That part, all this right here is clean. All this is still dirty. But we're about halfway. It's been 35, 40 minutes. So we're making good time. Making good time. It's gonna look really good when we get done. I think she'll be happy. So we'll keep getting it. get y'all nice and close for this last foot, quarter square foot, but it ain't much. Boom. So now what we're gonna do is blow off all the excess and the water, let it dry, and then I'll show you some before and after pictures, which should be great. She should be happy. For all y'all people that know how to pressure wash, so there is a format to it. You're supposed to, like, whichever way the water's going, like downhill, like every sidewalk, road, anything you ever could potentially pressure wash has a slant to it. Where the water's going down, you're supposed to blow from the other side. That way you're not blowing into your water. Well, my sidewalk has been here since 1953. And because of these gigantic trees in the yard, they got roots running under them. So my sidewalk is up, down, up, down, up, down, up, and down. So there was times I just had to pressure wash, and you just can't figure out which way it's running, and then it puddles up in places that you didn't know it was going to puddle up, and then you have to get rid of it. So anyway, that's what happened. All right, so I just blew it all off. It's still wet, so this is not the final product, but the whole entire thing is still wet, so it's real dark. So I'm gonna show it to you when it's done in a minute, when it dries all the way to here, steps, and even inside that door right there, we've done every bit of that. So looking good. I'll show you when it's dry, and we'll be done. See y'all in a little bit. So, just in case y'all wondering, wife was happy. So, we're good to go, y'all. Thank y'all for watching another video. Thank y'all for those that kept hitting me up, but like, hey, you said you was gonna do this, and I did. But it took me a little longer than I thought. I expect to have it in like the next week or so, but it is what it is. But anyway, thank y'all for watching. Like, subscribe, share, notification button, and we'll see y'all on the next one.